everybody, this is Roxy, and I'm making a couple of grad cards. So I thought, I've got them in my head. One of them I want them to be a shaker card. So I already have the shaker window. I just die cut 2 circles to make this rim or whatever. That's for the shaker. So I'm going to basically make them the same except for the elements. Like the same sentiment and whatnot. And then just the decoration. One's going to be a confetti card and one's going to be a shaker card. The confetti card, I use this punch from We Are Memory Keepers. Confetti. So, I'm going to stamp them out using Ken Oliver's Color Burst. If you don't know this, if you take the cover off of the mounting foam, it becomes flexible. So you can round corners. I think most everybody knows that. And if you don't, now you do. It is so muggy here. Oops, I forgot to fold it. It's muggy and stormy and 80 degrees. We might get fishing license this year. I haven't fished forever. We used to fish when we had our lake place, but not too much. I grew up fishing because we lived about 3 blocks from a lake that had a lot of sunnies and crappies. And then my girlfriend's dad taught us kids how to clean and fillet the fish. So we'd be out there in their garage half the afternoon cleaning our fish. Now I would probably never even touch a worm, but I didn't mind then. But we're thinking it might be fun. Depends on how much the licenses are. Alright. I think that's dry. You know what I'm going to do though? Is put this in a safe space like I would with my stickles. And I want to stamp the inside of the car first. Not the car, the card. Kind of want to do the Kaleidocolor, because that'll be fun. Just barely makes it. Please, 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 please. Please be good. Now, I probably should have said viewer discretion advised, because the confetti one I think is going to drive me insane, because I punched out all this confetti and in my brain thinks I'm going to glue it all down to one of these cards. But in reality, it's probably going to send me over the edge. So I would advise you, if I start whining, just ignore me. If I start cussing, mute your button. And if I faint, call 911. Because this is going to be tricky. This actually right here might send me over the edge. Because I ain't going to take much lately. I got too many things breaking, or ugh. I think I'm going to call that good, because I don't want it to get muddy. I was going to try to match their colors, but I would have had to ask them. So lazy. And then if I didn't have the colors, I would have had to go get them. And I think one of them is blue and white, because my niece went to that school. Oops. Oh well. That should be enough. I hope. Because I don't want too much. Yeah, that should be enough. You don't need it overblown. Cute. Okay. I need a gummy bear to pick me up. Ugh. These are the best ones ever. They taste exactly like a Lifesaver. Oh, they're so good. I almost choked. I'm going to use Tombow. So we'll see how that goes. Oh, I do have my tricky picker. Can I tell you a funny story? It's about tricky picker. Our neighbor, when we first got married, her daughter and granddaughter, she had her baby, our neighbor, had her daughter when she was 17. Her daughter had a daughter when she was 17. We have since, we don't see them anymore. But when we first got married, we lived in a fourplex, and our friend lived upstairs. So anyways, her daughter's daughter was so cute, little Steffi. She was just always up to an antic. Like, she's always doing something funny. So one time her mom says, Steffi, don't do that. And she goes, I'm not doing anything wrong. And she says, well, yes, you are. Don't, because she had a Kleenex, but she stuck her finger through the Kleenex and was picking her nose, basically. But Steffi she goes, don't pick your nose. And she said, I'm not picking my nose. I've got my tricky picker. And that was her little name for it, her tricky picker. Because she said, if you look, you can't really see my finger in the nose. I mean, she was about 6 and came up with that on her own. So that was kind of cute. And now there's not going to be any glue coming out. Ugh. Are you kidding me? First I grabbed dried up glue. Here we go. Try this Tombow.